everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. We're going to be getting into my limited edition Wantable style box. This is the fall forecast themed edit. If you're new, I'm Laura. I do have furry sidekicks hanging out with me today. Behind me is Willie. I don't think you can see him. He's a Jack Russell. I have Dexter the Beagle, Loki the Westie, and Harvey the Kitty is out here too. We sure hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. Alright, so Wantable is a styling service and they offer 3 different edits for women. The style edit, which is what I'm going to share with you, which is everyday wear, so work, vacation, weekend. They have the active edit, which is athleisure, workout wear, and the sleep and body, which is sleep, leisure, and all your intimates. Lots of choices. You could do all 3 of them. You can pick one of them, as well as they have a men's edit if you'd like to get one for the men in your life. All right, so this one is a themed edit. They have themed edits in all of those categories as well. The fall forecast, and right on top I have a little pamphlet to have notes for my stylist and my pricing sheet. And let's see. I have 2 requested items in this one. You can go through on their stream and give a thumbs up or decline. If you request something, it ends up going into your wish list. And when your size becomes available, you have a really good chance of getting it. You can also pick, sometimes there will be an icon on there with items that are like your most wanted, and you can try to get them in your next wantable. So kind of like telling your stylist you want to prioritize getting those items. And then there's also times where you can snooze them. So if you decide now's not the right time, I want to wait, you can snooze it. So as soon as I have my box here, you can see that little sticker has my name on it. So that's a nice little personalization. And they've been doing more items lately. Let me check. Yes, it looks like I have 9. You used to get 7. Now you can get up to 9. And I think that makes it so much easier because if you keep 5 or more, you get a discount. Or they've moved to the discount model, which is if you keep 3 items or more, you get $25 towards your next purchase. 6 items or more, get $60 towards your next purchase. 9 items or more, get $90. And they have a whole program and rewards around this, I'm seeing. So when you get to a certain dollar figure, then you get more things. So I'm not quite adept at this new discount model yet, and I'm not sure if you can ask to stay in the grandfather 20% off if you keep 5 or more. So I would just check and ask if that's your preference. For people that don't want to keep 5 items or typically don't, then this might actually work out better for you. Let's see what I've got. So this is, again, fall. So this is, we're going to be talking about all the fall pieces, which it's funny. I'm out here today doing this, and it is like 80 degrees out. It's 80 degrees outside. You get a bag to return anything you don't love and don't want to keep. First item, this is by Gentle Fawn. Little sweater. Oh, it's a little short sleeve sweater in blue. That's cute. It's soft. Another sweater. What is this one? Oh, it's got a turtleneck. Yikes. This is by Sage. We'll see if that touches my neck or not. It might be a little loose. That's different. Okay. Then something from Thread and Supply. This is so soft. Little V-neck. In like a green. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's in a green color. Next up, this is by Hint of Blue, and it is the latest scoop denim jacket in relaxed denim. Okay, Dexter's trying to take over here. So that's cute, little pockets. It's got a ton of stretch in it. Cardigan. This is a cute one by Dex in a leopard print. I like that. And this jacket I requested. I think I must have requested it. I wonder when. It'll tell you when you request items. Like, did I request it recently or did I request it? Yeah, I requested it in August. So recent. This is cute. It has like, they had a short version last year, so this is the longer version. I think it's nice. I love the fun little like Sherpa or fur. I guess it's fur. The fun little fur on the collar. It has the patchy pockets here on the front. That's cute. Okay. I think Loki disappeared and is barking at somebody. Then we have the Midi slip skirt. And this one is by Mikarose. Has a little zipper on the side. That's cute. And the last item, oh no, 2 more items. This is the Mica Denim Jogger Crop. These are soft. So yeah, I have those. And last item is something from Hidden. And it is the Ella Mid-Rise Cuffed. Yep, those are cute. So lots to try on. Let's get right to it. First up, all right, I have on the skirt, the satin skirt, and the cardigan. What are you doing, buddy? Be good. Be good. All right, so this is a cute skirt, but very, very high-waisted and not really fitting me well because there's not a lot of room here in the hips. You can see, like, it's all the way up to here. I like the idea of it, but there's zero stretch. And it is lined. So if you're less curvy, a little bit more straight, this might be a really good option. But for me, too curvy. I would definitely have to size up if I want to keep it. It has the slits on the sides. Yeah, both sides. This cardigan is super cute. I like it with just a few buttons closed. Very cute. All right, so for these, the Crewneck Leopard cardigan, I'm wearing an extra small, $80. For the skirt, which is the midi slip skirt in black, I'm wearing a small. My normal size is extra small, so this really doesn't fit me, $79. And we'll keep going. Next up, all right, so I have on the joggers, the turtlenecky top, and the denim jacket. Let's talk about the joggers first. They're by Mica. I really enjoy them. Patch pockets. They have stretch. They're a nice length on me. Drawstring waist, zip and button fly. You see those patchy pockets. The denim jacket is nice. It's a nice little hitting mid-hip, curved at the side, stretchy fit. I think it fits over top of this sweater, which is bulky, so that's nice if you need layers. So I like it. And then the sweater, which is nice if you can wear turtlenecks, like, right? So this is too much for me, but I think the sweater's cute. I did a little front tuck. Here's what it looks like out. You could also pair, of course, these back to the leopard, which would be super nice. Yeah, I like that. And you can still put the jean jacket on if you need it extra warmth. All right, so for this one, the Gibson turtleneck sweater in oak multi. I'm wearing an extra small, $68. It's by Sage, the label. The jean jacket, it's called the Latest Scoop Denim Jacket in Relaxed Denim. I had an extra small on. It's by Hint of Blue, $89. And for the high-rise jogger, they're calling this gray. I would call this almost like a washed black, but they're calling it gray. I'm wearing a small, $79. Next up, all right, how about this Ella cuffed denim? They sent me these in a previous one, different wash, a little bit different fit, because this 25 feels like it fits me, and I exchanged the other one for a 26. So this one fits perfectly. They have really great stretch. They feel nice on. I'm enjoying the wash. So I like these. And then this just soft V-neck, perfect for a cute little, weekend look. If a great cozy, we'd call it definite cozy. All right, so the yellow mid-rise cup straight leg jean in medium wash, I'm wearing a $25, $94. And the Mantle top in spruce heather, I'm wearing an extra small by Thread and Supply, $55. We're down to the last outfit. All right, so for the final outfit, I swapped out the tops to still have on the same jeans, which I'm really enjoying, and put on this little short sleeve sweater, perfect for transition. Has a little bit of a poofy sleeve. Hits right at the elbow. Be a nice layering piece. I did a front tuck, but here's what it looks like out. Super cute. And we're going to put on this trench coat by Liverpool. How cute is this? The fur trimmed collar. I love it. It's like all fur inside, at least, you know, for a little bit. It's not lined, so it just has that little, if it hangs open, you're only going to see the fur, right? Pockets. Gets to about, what, the back of my knee. Has stretch. So that's one nice thing, if it isn't lined, you get that stretch a lot more, so check that out. Yeah, this is super cute. Let me button it up just so you can see what that looks like. This would be really cute with booties. It's too hot out here for me to cover my whole foot. So I have sandals on, but this would be super cute with booties. I like this. What do you guys think? Is this one a keeper? You could button it the whole way down or just button a few. I'll just show you what it looks like if we button all of it, just so that you know, in case you're thinking about getting this one. I don't know that I would ever button every single one, but here's what it looks like. Yeah, I think it's cute. I would probably more likely to button maybe the top few and leave the bottom around my hips a little bit open so I have room. This is a fun piece. All right, so for these last final pieces, the Marisol Pulover in Heather Blue, I'm wearing an extra small by Gentle Fawn, $89. And then the Sherpa Trim Denim Trench Coat in Rinse Wash, I'm wearing an extra small, $149. I requested this item, this jacket, and the jogger. Let's do a quick wrap up. All right, so fun edit. $7.82 for all the items. I guess I have $85 in cash back, and then my styling fee would come off. So I get everything for about, you know, $100 off. Not terrible. And let's see. The jeans, I thought the Ella jeans, really nice. I like these. I love the cuff. I thought this was super cute if I wanted to keep it. I'm not sure. I always feel like short sleeve sweaters have a limited shelf life, but I think they look really pretty for work from home, and they're great for transition. I did really like the little trench with the fur, the denim trench with the fur trim. I just think that's fun. Put on a graphic tee and a cute pair of jeans or a jogger, be super cute. I thought this was all right. Nothing wrong with it. It's a warm cozy, so if I needed one, this wouldn't be a bad option. This one, just no, it's a turtleneck. I can't wear them. Next up are the joggers. Love these. Great fit. I am thinking about them. The denim jacket was really nice. Lots of stretch. What do you think about this one? Let me know. Is it worth adding another denim jacket to my closet? This one? I thought it was cute. This one was all right. I actually liked the sweater. I've been looking at several different of the Leopard cardigans, and I'm trying to decide if this is the right one. It's not like you can have a whole bunch of them, right? It's not like black cardigans. Like when you pick one, you have to pick the one that you really like, and I'm not sure if that's it. And then the skirt doesn't fit me, so it's a no. So I'm thinking I might have 3, which works in this case towards the credit program, right? So let me know what you think. I didn't think it was a bad edit. I kind of like the pieces. I can't wait to hear from you. So I'll list them all down below in case you'd like to request and them in your next edit. Of course, put all my information from Wantable in case you'd like to give this service a try. If you use my referral, then you will get money towards your first box. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. This was fun, and I will catch you next time. If you'd like to know what I kept, I go over all of those in Sunday's outfit of the day. Bye, everybody.